guys, welcome back to my channel, and hoi! Yeah, I'm just being extra now. Anyway, today I'll be doing a speed paint. I don't really know what speed paint I'm going to do, so let me just go search some things that might give me ideas. Anyways, today I decided I would be drawing FNAF characters. FNAF 2. I want to pick only 2 characters. Like, I barely ever draw Sister Location, and I barely ever draw Puppet, and I've never drawn Balloon Boy. So we'll see how that'll turn out. And I think I got some drawings of Puppet in my photo clip. Let me see. Ads. No. Guess it was another device. Anyways, I'll be drawing those 2. Sorry, I'm a bit sick. So I'll just be drawing their heads. I don't usually use bases, so yeah. I don't. Done. I'm just kidding. It's creepy. Not that he's not already creepy, but meh. Okay, that's just creepy times 10. I'm not even trying. Okay. Oh, and I believe that the puppet is a boy because master of marionette, and his name is Puppet. So he probably has a puppet. Somebody is his puppet. So yeah, not my best eyes for a puppet. Not my best eyes. Okay, this is fine. I'll just have to do with that. I'm so used to drawing on paperclip, so yeah. Oh my god. Oh, I need to draw. I know who you are, and I'm not afraid of you anymore. I can't really remember the quote, but meh. Not my best drawing, okay? Note that. I'm serious. I've made better. I've made better before. I draw any face expression for him, so meh. I don't really care about the smile. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put the straight lines on. Wait. Nope, that was a nickname. My family troubles. That forehead, though. Okay, comparison. Oh my. When one side doesn't want to agree with the other. Oh, come on. It was fine earlier. Okay, so I got that. Now, transform. Hi, y'all. Oh! Perfect. Okay. Comparison. Okay, now we will be drawing Balloon Boy. Oops. Wrong tool, wrong tool, wrong tool. So yeah, I don't usually use bases. Just remember that. This is my absolute first time drawing Balloon Boy. I mean, nobody really puts Balloon Boy in their videos, so yeah. Like, you could check. Barely anybody puts Balloon Boy in their video. I mean, I've seen a lot. I've never seen Balloon Boy in any video. I don't really think anybody remembers about it.
Don't forget
The Balloon Boy. Wait a minute.
Don't forget
No! Okay, so they forget Balloon Boy. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, sorry, I just had to do that. Anyway, people at my school says I sound like, well, somebody in my class says I sound like Dory. I do not sound like Dory. Give me a minute, guys. Cut things out. Okay, so we'll be starting with, his hat, right? How's that? Okay. Stubby hat. Perfect. perfect balloon boy hat right here. Wouldn't change a thing. Yeah. Yeah, perfect balloon boy right here, you know? That little thing right there. Yeah. Done. I'm sorry, that's just creepy. My absolute first time drawing Balloon Boy. It feels kind of normal, actually. Okay. So the head doesn't. I'm gonna remove this base. Like it keeps on distracting me. So. Uh, I just love it how some people draw Balloon Boy that just a cute little boy. But oh my god. Creepy. I'm just kidding, guys. Okay. Okay. Everything seems good. So, I have the stabilizer off. Oh, well, that would have looked very weird. And okay, there. Okay, guys. Now I'm just gonna color it. Let me just see what time. Okay, that's 19. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. This is quite long. Anyways, I'm just gonna color it. Oh. Oh. Invisible error. Okay. Anyways, add under. I'm not really sure. I'm trying to remember. I feel like there's yellow somewhere. I can't even remember if that even is supposed to be there. So, meh. Guys, sorry if it's the wrong colors. Well, there you go, blue boy. I feel like that's red. Oh my god. Oh yeah, let's just ignore that. So yeah, how cool that looks. Okay. Now puppet. Yeah, basically that's it. Yep. Finish. Okay, no, that's just creepy. Puppet and Balloon Boy. This is my absolute first time drawing Balloon Boy, and it's adorable. Oh wait, I'm just gonna add. Mm. Well, I'm done. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed. Bye guys. See you in my next video.